बहुजन्म प्रदारब्ध युक्ता नाम्नाच्युतास्ति मुख विद्यालोपे कृतं कर्म फलदं तेन नास्ति मुख प्रारब्धं भोजयेदेव न तु विद्यां विलोपयेत् सुप्तबुद्धवदश्लेष साधवस्यात् कुतो न मुख.
What is it? New word is coming. Mukh. Moksha. Mukh is to moksha. Moksha. You have wondered what is the new word is coming. Mukh. Moksha. बहुजन्म प्रदारब्ध युक्तानां मुक् नास्ति उत अस्ति. He takes that बहुजन्म prada like Vashishta. His prarabdha is many births. So like this बहुजन्म प्रदारब्ध युक्तानां with adhikari purushas having prarabdha of many births. Mukh moksha is there asti nasti uta asti. Is it not there or is there? Samshaya. This is samshaya. Purapaksha. Kritam karma phaladam vidyalope. Kritam karma phaladam tena vidyalope. Mukh nasti. Kritam karma phaladam tena vidyalope mukh nasti. Say he has got many births and many births pukat nahi hai. He has to do karma, and when karma he does, karma means bhoga it should give, and that for what happens? The kritena karmana, by karma vidya ud jati hai. Vidya becomes extinct. Vidya bhag jati hai. So because he is involved in many janmas, many karmas, and karmas are what? Phalaprada. They give the bhoga. As a result, what happened? Once upon a time he had got vidya, but now what happened? So that vidya goes away. Tena means phaladena karmana. Vidyalope. Number one rule, what is it? Kritam karma phaladam. Any karma done is bound to give the result. Now, tena phaladena karmana vidyalope. When vidya gets extinct, say mukh nasti. भगवान देखता है इसको, इसने विद्या पाई है, मोक्ष दे दो. अरे विद्या ही नहीं है उधर. विद्या ही नहीं है, क्या करेगा भगवान? सॉरी बोलेगा. बस भगवान ने दिया सॉरी, आई कांट हेल्प यू. अभी वापस विद्या लाओ, वापस विद्या ले लो बोलेगा. No, it is not that way. That he does many karma also is prarabdha. He is jnani. Ashlesha applies that. Is agami karma. Ashlesha applies. Other thing, nature of bhoga prada karma is give to bhoga and not to destroy vidya. There are two different things. Prarabdha karma has no capacity to destroy, because that is what? Vidya. Prarabdham bhojaye deva. The nature of prarabdha karma is that it only gives the bhoga. Bhojaye deva. Certainly it gives the bhoga. Two, whereas vidyam na vilopaye. Prarabdha karma is too incapable of destroying vidya, atma vidya, brahma vidya. Vidyam na vilopaye. It cannot destroy it. for which illustration is given. What is that? Supta buddhavat. So what happened? Tomorrow is the examination. Tonight up to 2 a.m. study. बाद में क्या हो गया? Health बिगड़ गया. Taken to exam on the stretcher. Stretcher. So, but will the person forget what he studied? Because he slept and woke up. Sleep will not take away what he has studied. Like that, Prarabdha Bhoga doesn't take away the Vidya. Yes. Supta Buddhavat. Like a person, Suptaha Paschat Buddha. Earlier slept, after this thing. Says, means his Vidya, whatever studied or whatever learned, etc., doesn't get destroyed. It is like that. Ashlesha Tadavastha. Just as in the Jnani without multiple prarabdha, multiple janma prarabdha, what happens? Ashlesha vinasha, here agami, ashlesha of agami karma applies. So also here, tadavastha, the status quo of ashlesha, asamparka, sthiti of agami karma. Mukna kutahana. Why moksha not gained? Means moksha should certainly be gained. Certainly be gained as such. Take the sutra. Bhogena tu itare kshapayitva sampadyate. Andvaya. Itare tu bhogena kshapayitva sampadyate. Itare tu, you take either way now. Itare means, actually itare tu is arabde papunya pape. Actually that is what how Bhashyakara takes. Not as the Vaiyasika Nyayavada which takes for Adhikari Purusha having multiple janma prarabdha. Itare tu arabde punya pape. Bhogena, bhoga dwara, by undergoing their bhoga, kshapayitva, nashayitva means what happened now? Prarabdha karma bhoga is over. He has already got the knowledge. All agami also has ashlesha. Jnanena kshapayitva means what? Because of ashlesha. Sanchita nasha, agami ashlesha, kshapayitva, sampadyate. What sampadyate? Brahma sampadyate. Means he gains Brahma, means gains videha mukti. He gains videha mukti. He gains videha mukti. That is how it is taken. Again here, though please note, Bhure Baba Tika has made some mistake. He says Vidwan Bhavati, etc. He has done, there is some mistake there. I don't know how he does it. So, maybe while writing he must be feeling sleepy. Sometimes you are doing some work, you feel a bit sleepy. At the same time, the person is not ready to give up the stop the work. वो कुछ गड़बड़ होता है. कुछ गड़बड़ होता है. So therefore, why I am telling you, he is closely following Sadashiva Brahmendra. He should not make a mistake. So there is no mistake in Sadashiva Brahmendra. But this person earlier once or Sutra also had done. Earlier he had done more blunder. Here it is Vidwan Bhavati. I don't know, he means by Vidyan Videya Mukti. I mean, Vidwan doesn't apply to Videya Mukti. Caption. Same as topic of this. What is that? Adhikarana. Videya Mukti for the Jnani is possible only after Prarabdha Karma. Videya Mukti for the Jnani is possible after Prarabdha Karma Kshaya. Up to the end of the sutra. Continue.